Here I have Nokia 5710XA, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So first we'll have to remove the back cover from your device, like this. So then you should remove battery. Here you have SIM slot, so you can open it up like this. So it says open, like to open you have to pull it this side. And now it opens like this. So here you should insert your SIM card, just the way it's depicted on this icon here. So we put it like this, I guess. Yeah. Then you close this lid and you can lock it. And here you have the SD card slot, which you can open by pulling this way. So here you insert SD card like on this icon, and then you close it up like this, and yeah, put battery back in, cover back on, and turn our device back on. So as you can see here, it says like SIM1, this Virgin Mobile or something like that, which proves that SIM card is detected. And to prove you that SD card is also detected, we can go to storage, and here you can find memory card now. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.